Welcome to video class of Magic of Max. The previous video we have seen that type of functions, how to working rule for one-to-one functions and onto functions. Today we will see problems on one-to-one and onto functions. Now the function is given as f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. What is the working rule? We have to take two elements in domain such that f of x equal to f of y or f of x1 equal to f of x2. Here I have taken f of x1 equal to f of x2 as f of x equal to 3 minus 4x, f of x1 equal to 3 minus 4x1. Then f of x2 equal to 3 minus 4x2. Then cancelling 3 on both sides, we get minus 4x1 equal to minus 4x2. Then dividing by minus 4 on both sides, x1 equal to x2. As we have assumed f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have arrived x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 to 1. What is the working rule for onto? We have to take any arbitrary element in codomain such that f of x equal to y. Then we have to find the value of x in terms of y and constant. Then for every value of y belongs to codomain, if there is an x belongs to domain, then f is onto. Suppose x does not belongs to the domain, then it is not onto. In that way, let y be any arbitrary element of codomain R such that f of x equal to y or y equal to f of x. Y equal to value of f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Then find the value of f of x. Minus 4x you bring it here. Then x equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. When y is a real number, 3 is a real number, difference of two real number is a real number, 4 is a real number, quotient of two non-zero real number is a real number. Therefore, for all y belongs to R, x belongs to R. Therefore, f is onto. In this case, f is 1 to 1 and onto. Therefore, it is a bijective function. Now, second question in that f from real number to real number defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Now take two elements x1, x2 in the domain such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. As f of x is 1 plus x square, f of x1 will be 1 plus x1 square equal to 1 plus x2 square. Cancelling 1 on both sides, we get x1 square equal to x2 square. Then as x1 and x2 are real numbers, therefore x have given an example. Now you see the example. Minus 2 whole square equal to 2 square. Both values are equal to 4, but minus 2 is not equal to 2. Therefore, when x1 square equal to x2 square and x1 and x2 are real numbers, x1 will not be equal to x2. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1. Now, let us see whether it is onto or not. Let y be any element of codomain R such that f of x equal to y. The value of f of x, substitute 1 plus x square equal to y, x square equal to y minus 1. Therefore, x equal to plus or minus root of y minus 1. Now, we have to check for every value of R, for every value of y belongs to R, whether x belongs to R or not. We have to check. Now, for example, if x equal to 0, if y equal to 0, then x equal to plus or minus root of 0 minus 1. Root of 0 minus 1 is, root of minus 1 is not a real number, it is a complex number. Therefore, f is not onto. In this case, f is neither 1 to 1 nor onto. Now question number 8. We will take A to B two sets such that F from A to B, A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B, to B cross A such that the image of AB under F is B comma A, that is reverse of the ordered pair, is a bijective function. We have to prove that. For bijective, what we have to prove? We have to prove F is 1 to 1 and on to. Here every element is ordered pair. Therefore, instead of x1 I am taking A comma B, instead of x2 taking C comma D, such that F of AB equal to F of CD. Now we have to prove that ordered pair A comma B equal to ordered pair C comma D. Then by definition of F of AB equal to B comma A, then F of C comma D is D comma C. When two ordered pairs are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. B equal to D and A equal to C. Now you see, this implies A comma ordered pair A comma B equal to A equal to C and B equal to D. Therefore, AB equal to CD. Thus, we have proved F of AB equal to F of CD implies A comma B equal to C comma D. Just like F of x1 equal to F of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, F is 1 to 1. Now, you take any element of B cross A. Let ordered pair B comma A belongs to B cross A, codomain B cross A, such that F of AB equal to B comma A. Then since B comma A belongs to B cross A, therefore B implies set B and A belongs to A. B belongs to B and A belongs to A. When A belongs to A and B belongs to A, B belongs to B, we can say that A comma B belongs to A cross B. Then for every element ordered pair B comma A belongs to B cross A, there exists A comma B belongs to A cross B. Therefore, F is onto. Hence, F is a bijective function. Question number 9. Already once they asked in the board examination, CBSE. That is important question. Now, F is a function from natural number to natural number defined by F of n equal to, it has two branches. When n is odd, F of n goes like this, n plus 1 divided by 2. If n is even, n by 2. Natural number means it can be odd or even. Now state whether the function is bijective or not. Just they are asking. Justify your answer. Justify your answer means example. Let us check whether it is 1 to 1 or on to. Let 1 comma 2 belongs to n. 1 and 2 are different natural numbers. F of 1, since 1 is odd number, first definition we have to use it. 1 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Then F of 2, 2 is a even number, 2 by 2 equal to 1. Here both F of 1 value and F of 2 value is equal to 1. Therefore, F of 1 equal to F of 2. But 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, F is not 1 to 1. When the function is not 1 to 1, F is not bijective. You no need to worry about it is on to or not. Whether the function which is both 1 to 1 as well as on to only, it is bijective. When it is not 1 to 1, it is not bijective. Now, question number 10 we will come later. Question number 11. Let F from R to R be defined by F of x equal to x to the power 4. Check whether F is 1 to 1. Check whether F is 1 to 1 or on to. You take two different elements. Minus 1 comma 1 belongs to R. Then F of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole to the power 4 equal to 1. F of 1 equal to 1 to the power 4 equal to 1. Minus 1 and 1 are different, but their images are same. F of minus 1 equal to F of 1, but minus 1 not equal to 1. Therefore, F is not 1 to 1. Now, for all x belongs to R, whatever may be the value of x, x to the power 4 can be never negative, is always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, range of f, all non-negative real numbers, range of f equal to closed interval 0, open at infinity. As the range is not equal to codomain of f, therefore f is not onto. Therefore, in this case, the function is neither one-to-one nor onto. Now, you come back to question number 10. A equal to all the real numbers except 3 and b equal to all the real numbers except 1. Then consider the function f from a to b defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Now you must have understood y a equal to all real numbers minus 3. In a denominator is x minus 3. When x equal to 3, denominator will become 0. Therefore, they excluded 3 from the real number. Is f one-to-one and onto? Justify your answer. For one-to-one, what we have to take? We have to take two elements, x1, x2 belongs to A, such that assume that f of x1 equal to f of x2. In the given function f of x, substitute x as x1. For f of x2, in the given function f of x, substitute x as x2. Then cross multiply. And cross multiply. After cross multiplication, do it carefully. Totally 4 times will come. 2 into 2, 4. Here also 4 times. Out of 4 times, 2 times gets cancelled. Then we are getting minus 2x1. Then all the x term to bring to on LHS and x2 term on RHS. Minus 3x1 plus 2x1 equal to minus 3x2 plus 2x2. Minus x1 equal to minus x2. Therefore, dividing by minus 1, x1 equal to x2. Now, we have taken f of x1 equal to f of x2. We have arrived x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1-to-1. For onto, we have to take any element of codomain, that is y belongs to codomain B, such that f of x equal to y. Then substitute the value of f of x, x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 equal to y. Then cross multiply. Then find the value of x. X term is there in LHS as well as RHS. You bring all the x terms to LHS. Then RHS, the remaining terms, minus 3y, the minus 2 is there plus 2. Then take x common, x into 1 minus y. This can be written as write the positive term first, 2 minus 3y. Therefore, x equal to 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y. For all y belongs to r minus 1, since denominator is 1 minus y, y cannot be equal to 1. For all y belongs to codomain real number minus 1, that is B, there exists x belongs to A. If y is not equal to 1, then definitely x will be a real number other than 2. Therefore, f is onto, hence f is bijective. Then in exercise 1.2, that is the last one, you are given f of x equal to 3x, domain and codomain are real numbers. You take two elements, x1, x2 belongs to domain, such that, and f of x1 equal to f of x2. As f of x is 3x, then f of x1 will be 3x1. As f of x is 3x, f of x2 will be 3x2. Then dividing by 3 on both sides, x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1-to-1. For onto, let y be any element of codomain R, such that f of x equal to y. Substitute the value of f of x, 3x equal to y. From this you find the value of x equal to y by 3. Then y is a real number, 3 is a real number. Quotient of 2 non-zero real numbers is a real number. Therefore, for every y belongs to R, there exists x belongs to R. Therefore, f is onto. Hence, f is a bijective function. Okay, thank you.